Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for a great way to protect your countertop from coffee stains and water spillage, then you are going to love these coffee mats.
This 2-pack of coffee mats from Arttown are so amazing. I got these in the marble white gold, and I am so impressed with how beautiful they are. They match my whole kitchen look perfectly with the speckles of gold throughout here, but most importantly, they work. I hate when you are going to pour your cup of coffee and you spill coffee, or you're filling up your coffee pot, you spill water everywhere, and your counter is a mess. Everything gets wet and stained. But these are super, super absorbent, and they have this great rubber backing that keeps the water from transferring onto your countertop, which for me is super important since I have this butcher block and it stains really easily. I am so happy with these mats. They are literally the perfect thing for my coffee bar, but you can use them in other places like a dish drying mat, a pet feeding mat, anywhere where you're going to have water and things that need to stay dry. These are going to be absolutely perfect.
So stop worrying about water stains and coffee spillage all over your countertop and get these coffee mats. You're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.